So hello everyone. So today we're gonna do vegetables. So vegetables is called this word. So you try to recognize there is a horizontal conjunction here. So first step is to try to recognize what is the half consonant there. So that is the half of b. So half b will go to the before pronunciation. So it will be sub g. Sabji. Sabji is nothing but vegetable. ठीक है? So let's go again with learning a word. First word. So first is a vowel, second is a consonant. So it's a, and this is la plus u matra. So it will be alu. Alu is nothing but potato. So next one, try to recognize the letter. So the first one is rectoflex unaspirated t, sorry. So t plus m plus a matra. So it will be ma. So t ma t r tomato. So tomato is nothing but tomato. So next one is this is unaspirated g, but with a sounding. So it will be ga. So ga, j, r, gajar. Gajar is nothing but carrot. Okay, so horizontal conjunction came here. So this conjunction, so first step is to recognize what is this half letter. So this half letter is nothing but half p. And there is no before consonant to attach to. So you try to make p but without a and connect with y. So, and there is a matra also. So it will be pya, so, pyas. So pyas is nothing but onion. So next one. So this is very easy. So this is ma, rectoflex t, and r, matar. So matar is peas. ठीक है? So next one. Kh, unaspirated. Sorry, aspirated plus e matra. So it will be ki ra plus a ra. So it will be ki ra. Khira. Khira is cucumber. Next one. This is la. This is her. This is sa, but with a oo sounding. So it will be la, su, and no, lasun. Lasun. Lasun is nothing but garlic. Next one. Brinjal. So this is b plus I sounding. I matra. So it becomes by, and there is a dot over it. So it will be buying gun. Baingan. Baingan is brinjal. So baingan is nothing but brinjal. Once again, there is a dot. So this is bh aspirated plus e matra. E matra. So it will be b. Bhi. Bhi. There is a dot. So it will be bhin. So this is the rectoflex and E, bhindi. So this is nothing but bhindi. Bhindi. Bhindi is okra, sometimes called as lady's finger. Next one, last one. Try to pronounce it. First vowel a, dental the, r, k, adrak. Adrak. Adrak is nothing but ginger. So I'll pronounce all the words once again. So vegetable is called sabji, sabji, and potato is aloo, tomato, tomato, carrot, gajar, onion, pyaz, peas, matar, cucumber, kheera, garlic, lasun, brinjal, bangan, okra, bindi, ginger, adrak. ठीक है, I hope you practice well. See you in the next one. Thank you.